Hi, this is Coda Pharmacy. We're going to show you how to use the Coda Pharmacy app so that you can simply order and reorder your medication from us. Firstly, log in using Google Mail or Facebook. If you don't have one of these accounts, you can create one by entering your email, then creating a password. Once logged in, you will be greeted by the medication alarm page. This page will remind you when to take your medication. To order your prescription, you must first set up a medication alarm. Click on the Medicines tab at the bottom of the screen. To add your medication, click on the plus button or on the Add Another Medicine button. You will then have the option to scan your existing medicine using the barcode scanner, or you can type in the search bar. A drop-down list will appear. Once you've selected your medicine, you will then be asked to select the formulation of the medication. You will then be asked when your medication will run out. This page will allow you to set your alarm reminder for when you need to take your medication and ensure that you will never miss another dose. Now that you have added your medication and set the alarm, you can order your prescription straight to your GP. To do this, click on Request Refill. Then, simply click on the medication, making sure the right one is selected, and click Next. This screen will prompt you to let us know when you need your medication. Allow a minimum of 5 days to receive your prescription, which will be delivered right to your door. Confirm the address is correct and click Next. Now you can decide if you would like a reminder to reorder your medication next time. This will remind you 7 days before you run out. Once approved by your GP, our pharmacist will check your medication and it will be delivered for free. You can track the progress of your order by clicking on the Order button on the main screen. Thank you for watching this video and for using the Coda Pharmacy app.